So we made it to the top 12. I could not have done it without all of you. Your votes, comments, likes, shares, everything. You all have been so supportive of me, and I'm so appreciative. So from being in the top 12, we got another round of boxes. So this is my unboxing video. Okay. Is it weird that the tissue paper is like one of the most exciting parts? I bet this is Redken. Yes. Redken. Yes. Seriously, this has saved my skin. I have really weird skin, like oily / also dry, but this is amazing. This stuff hasn't made me break out. I have really sensitive skin. It's just... Clarisonic. Aw, congrats on making it to the NYX Face Awards top 12. Here's some goodies to prep for your final round. A sleep mask and a robe. Okay. Ooh. Oh shit! This is another wig. Ooh, the powder room it for sure is. Oh, it's one wig, but it's 3 different colors.
Are you sure?
Oh. Scrunchies. Really cute clips. Ooh! Target. In honor of earning a spot in the 2018 Face Awards Top 12, please enjoy this gift from your sponsor, Target. What is this, a straightener for ants? This is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. A mini pro dryer. Look at this case. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little blow dryer. A ceramic styling iron. Now I can stop using my cheap Rite Aid flat irons that ruin my hair. And a curler, matching pattern. Oh, it's so pretty. Hey, just when I thought I was gonna run out of tissue paper for sending art, it just appears again. More body paints. Ooh, sponges, matte blotting paper, which is great because of my greasy ass nose. Brush cleaner, eye and lip makeup remover. Ooh, another brush holder. More beauty blenders. Eyes. Ultimate eyeshadow palette in their brights and smoky and highlights. More lip liners. For tinted brow mascara. Inner eye brighteners. Their dream catcher palettes. Golden Horizons and Stormy Skies. Away We Glow. Their eyeshadow palettes in Hooked on Glow and Love Beam. More eyelashes. Woo! Their single eyeshadows, lid lingerie, their lip lingerie, shimmer down. These are gorgeous. Look how sparkly. Look. Their pinup pout lipsticks, butter gloss, pro lip cream palette in the reds and the nudes. They sent me nudes. NYX, I have a boyfriend. Face. Ooh. Their baked blush. Away We Glow strobing cream. Away We Glow liquid highlighters, Bright Idea illuminating sticks, and their finishing powder, which is my favorite product that I use every single day. Their Hydra Touch primer, and their Sculpt and Highlight face duos in chestnut, espresso, caramel, and taupe. Well, that was my unboxing video. I wanted to thank all of the sponsors and those who voted for me. This next challenges theme was just announced. It's icons. So voting for that will begin on July 13th. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future content. Thank you so much for watching.